Hello, welcome back. Today's video, or this video, however long it takes, is going to be building the trackside series station building from ratio plastic models. So I'll do it just a time lapse of it. So let's have a go. Bye for now. There's the main frame done, the walls. Gonna do next, it's saying the window frames and the glass. So that's gonna be fiddly. So might leave it here tonight and carry on tomorrow if we've got time. This next bit is just putting the glass on all the windows. So I might just skip that because it's just going to be probably difficult to see and just a lot of the same. So yeah, I'll skip that bit and carry on with the build in the next scene. There we go. So it's starting to come along. Got a couple of doors in, a couple of windows. Oh, that window's got a little fan in it. So carry on. So there's the walls and the windows all put in. That was time consuming, a lot longer than I was expecting, but it's just a bit of a pain. Again, no pun intended, but yeah, that's it. What's next? Little toilet, little walls come up here for the toilet. It's gonna be like the toilet door. There's like little. Let's see on the picture. So that is that in there. So that's next. Yeah, let's carry on then. So to fit the wall, the toilet wall, or the post, you have to trim it away. And that's why it took a little bit longer than I thought. The best I can do anyway. Fits well. Oops. So let's carry on. next bit's going to be fiddly and time consuming. It's building the roof trussels, so I'll just go ahead and do that now, and then I'll carry on the time lapse after I've done them. So the roof trusses, they were a bit of a pain because each little tiny individual bit of plaster here, there, and the top, all had to be put on. So now I'm just doing the girders underneath, so I'll carry on with them. So I've still got gutters, this like toilet pipe, down pipe, whatever it's called. Yeah, and it still needs painting. But that's it at the moment. I think I'll leave the video here. It's like 15 minutes, 20 minutes long, and most of it's time lapse. So yeah, the only problem I had was these like girder legs here were like that far off the floor, so I had to like improvise with a couple of bits of plastic, extend it a bit. Well, yeah, I'm happy with that. A few little mistakes like that chimney, that will wind me up, so I'll probably try and straighten that. hopefully without damaging the roof. Or I might leave it, you know, no building's perfect, is it? So yeah, I suppose once it's got lighting in and it's been painted and the accessories, I've still got a couple of accessories as well. Look on the picture, I've got a couple of boxes here, signs, yeah. And then once it's painted, it should look the part. So I'll leave the video there and catch you in the next one. So bye for now.